In episode 21, Yiyang is seated with Mr. He. He notices the trophy and asks, "Is this my first championship trophy?" Mr. He replies, "Yes," and adds, "If you hadn't quit the game, you'd need a separate cabinet for all your trophies." Hearing this, Yiyang smiles. Later, during dinner, Yiyang shows Lin Lin everything on a video call. Lin Lin says, "I feel very bad that I am not at the reunion dinner." Lin Lin then calls Yingguo over. Lin Lin asks Mr. He, "Do you remember this girl who went to the competition with Xiaodong when she was little?" Mr. He remembers it, and Lin Lin tells him that she is Xiaodong's cousin. Mr. He and Yingguo are chatting happily. Yingguo mentions her mom asked about Mr. He's health. When Mr. He learns Yingguo is Wu Qian's daughter, he is surprised. He recalls working with Wu Qian and says she is nice. Yingguo says she wants to bring her mom to meet Mr. He. Mr. He agrees. After the call, Yang tells Mr. He that Yingguo is his girlfriend. Mr. He is very happy to hear this. Mrs. He informs them that Yingguo recently won a championship. She mentions that in the future, they will meet each other's parents. Since Yiyang doesn't have parents, she suggests that she and their coach meet Yingguo's parents instead. Yiyang is happy to hear this. Mr. He suggests that since they are in a relationship, they should meet Yingguo's family. Mrs. He then tells Yiyang to invite Yingguo for dinner, and Mr. He to invite Wu Qian as well. Yiyang mentions that they haven't informed Yingguo's parents about their relationship yet. Mr. He asks, "Why?" Yiyang says that her family doesn't like me because of my retirement. Mrs. He and her daughter say that these are old things, and they are sure that if they meet you now, their point of view will change. The next day, Mr. He calls Yingguo's mother. Mr. He and Wu Qian are having regular conversation, and during this conversation, Mr. He starts saying that Yiyang is now quite different from before. He has become more mature. He had made mistakes in the past, but you should forgive him for those mistakes. Wu Qian says, "Don't worry. Because of his past mistakes, I won't give him a hard time in the game." Mr. He says, "I trust you." He also mentions that I want Yiyang to be given a chance because everyone makes mistakes in their past. Wu Qian replies, "As long as Yiyang is a good athlete, I won't have any problems with him." Mr. He is pleased to hear this. It's the 5th day of the competition, and Yiyang is winning consecutive games. Yiyang and Qingyang also participated in this competition. Yingguo is filled with joy as she approaches Lin Lin. She excitedly shares with Lin Lin, Yang has made it to the finals. Lin Lin responds, "I'm aware of that. I recall there's a preparation meeting tomorrow." Yingguo explains, "But tomorrow is Yiyang's final match. I already missed his semi-final." Lin Lin reassures her, "He has already returned. Even if you can't watch this match, there will be more matches in the future for you to enjoy. Besides, now it's Yiyang's turn to witness your victory in the championship." Yingguo says, "I'm not sure if I will win the championship, but I will try my best to come first." The next day, although Yingguo is in a meeting, she is still watching Yiyang's game. Yiyang and Xiaodong are in the audience. Mr. He is also watching the match from home. The competition between Yiyang and his opponent is quite intense, but Yiyang manages to pocket all the balls, leading him to victory in the China Open. Yiyang looks very happy. Xiaodong and Yiyang are also very happy for him. Mr. He gets emotional witnessing Yiyang's success. After Yingguo's meeting, she quickly checks her phone and finds a message from Yiyang. Feeling nervous, Yingguo waits to see the result. Yiyang sends her a picture of his trophy, bringing joy to Yingguo. Yiyang also texts her, "I miss you a lot today." Yingguo's mom came to give a lecture in the meeting. When she is leaving from here, Yingguo's coach informs her that Yiyang has won the competition. She looks pleased upon hearing this. Yiyang approaches Yiyang and asks, "Why are you sitting by yourself?" Yiyang answers, "I'm exhausted." Yiyang questions, "Haven't you contacted your girlfriend?" Yiyang explains, she had a meeting for her preparation today. Just then, Yiyang receives a message from Yingguo. In the message, Yingguo has sent many heart emojis to Yiyang, and along with it, Yingguo says, "I didn't think you would actually win the competition. You are the best. It feels like a dream. I am very happy for you." Yiyang reads this and becomes very happy. Soon after, all the members of the Yiyang club gather to congratulate him. Upon seeing them, Yiyang is very happy and tells them, "You guys take this trophy back from me." Saying this, Yiyang leaves from here, and seeing him go like this, Yiyang remarks, "Yiyang looks just like he did when he won his first championship at 13. He hasn't changed a bit." The next morning, Yingguo goes for her competition, and her mom wishes her good luck. Now, as Yiyang is about to leave, Yiyang says, "Tell me about your plans." Yiyang replies, "I am going to open a billiards club, like the one in Helsinki. It's not for competition. I want to open my billiards club for public interest. Dongxin City and Bay City both focus on professional training. But I don't want to do that." Yiyang says, "Our coach and I will support you." Yiyang says, "Business in Dongxin City is very big. I don't think many coaches will be able to work with me." Yingguo is at the airport, and Yiyang also arrives here. She tells him to wear a mask. Yiyang asks, "Why are you telling me to do that?" Yingguo replies, "Many people are present at this airport for the 9-ball open, and since you won the championship today, you are a trending topic." Yiyang agrees and puts on the mask. Yingguo says, "My mom told me that Mr. He has called her many times for you." Yiyang shares, "My coach was very happy when he learned about our relationship. He has also invited you to his house for dinner." Hearing this, Yingguo is very excited and tells Yiyang that she has wanted to meet him since childhood. Yingguo says, "I never thought I would ever get to meet him." Yiyang responds, "You are the girlfriend of his student, so you can meet him now." Yiyang sees Yingguo's coaches approaching and leaves from there. Now, Chen comes to take Yiyang with him, and Yiyang declines, saying, "You go first, I will come later." Now, both of them are on the airplane. Yingguo goes to use the restroom, and Yiyang follows her. Yingguo says, "I heard the flight attendants talking about you. You don't like taking pictures, so give me your autograph in my hand." As soon as Yiyang holds her hand, the flight attendants come there. Yingguo quickly returns to her seat. Later that night, when Yiyang comes to give Yingguo a blanket, Yingguo wakes up. Yiyang sits next to her and tells her, "I won this championship for you." Yiyang calls her Little Queen, and Yingguo asks, "Do you still remember?" Yiyang says, "When you won your first professional match, you held my hand without caring about the camera and the future, and you shared a very precious thing with me. I can never forget that." Hearing this, Yingguo becomes very emotional. She tells Yiyang, "We are going to the place where we first met. This time, I will win the championship for sure." Then, she kisses Yiyang.